අපි ආරාධනා කරනවා 2012 වසරේ දෙවන දෙරණ සිනමා සම්මාන උළෙලේ ජනප්‍රියතම රංගන ශිල්පිනියට හිමි සම්මානය පිරිනමන්නට මේ වේදිකාවට බොහොම ගෞරවයෙන් ආරාධනා කර සිටිනවා ටීවී දෙරණ වැඩසටහන් අධ්‍යක්ෂිකා ශමිලා ධර්මදාස මහත්මිය.
Good evening, everybody. I'm here to give away the award for the most popular actress of the year 2012. Before that, I want to thank the jury. Thank you very, very much. It was really a pleasure to work with you all. Thank you, really. And now for the nominations for the most popular actress.
Most popular actress. The nominees: Sheshadri Priyasad for Sinasuru Maruwa,
Mutulal vimane hasaral sevane suandai sansare pavi pavi yavi vedana
Tulani Anuradha for Vijay Koeni,
ඇයයි මනුලු සුපෙන්වන්ති ඇයයි මනුලු මවද වන්නේ
Pooja Umashankar for Kusapava, Paboda Sandipani for Super 6,
mada pinne supi penne lassana vanamal takuliya bilase hinahenne nalavenne susinidu inga sunga talata
Anusha Damayanti for Sakviti Dadayama,
Most popular actress 2012 goes to Pooja. It's for you.
I've climbed up the stairs now almost 4 times. I'm out of breath, but etcetera. I wish I could speak in Sinhala. Where do I start? Okay. About 4 or 5 thank yous, short and sweet. A big thank you to God. He's an awesome God. Second thank you goes to Derana. You guys are great. It's no small feat to bring such a beautiful, magical night together. And you've brought us all together after a very long time, so thank you for that. The third thank you is for the jury. You guys are fantastic. Mama, etana vaadi vela I was just thinking, Jury, how best can I describe you kiyala? I was thinking, okay, J for Jeshta, U for Uttama, R for Ruan, Y, I actually got stuck there. Y kiyane I was thinking, why mukade kiyala? Then I was thinking Yashasvi. I think that describes you people, so thank you for having us all, bringing us all together once again. And a big thank you to the Kusapaba team. I'm missing a lot of faces here, but Bohoma Stuti for having me in your film. And Channa, I must thank you for bringing me into the Sri Lankan industry. And most of all, Mata Asa Kiyanda, Prekshakyo Kiyanne fans, I would like to call you my family. You are my family, and you are my heart. And I think I think the best rhythm that God has created on earth is the beating of the heart, the rhythm of the heart. And you are my heart. Thank you guys for voting for me. And thank you for deeming me fit to have this award. Today is probably my luckiest day. Senasuru maru ada wenna puluwan neda amma mata. Hondai. So thank you very much. And God bless you all. Bawuma stuti. Vanakkam. තව එකක් කියන්න පුළුවන්ද?
පුළුවන්.
මට I felt like රජකුමාරි වගේ I felt while shooting for කුසපබා. හරිද? මම චෙන්නයි ගිහිල්ලා මාව හිගන්නේ කරුවා ඒගොල්ලෝ. හැබැයි I felt like a princess while doing කුසපබා. And today when I stepped into Prabhat's place, I didn't feel that good. But when I stepped out of Prabhat's place, I felt like a princess. So thank you, Prabhat, for making me feel this and making me look this good. Thank you.
රජකුමරියට සුබ පැතුම්.
මිළඟ ජනප්‍රියම සම්මානය වෙන් වෙන්නේ වසරේ ජනප්‍රියතම රංගන ශිල්පියා වෙනුවෙන්. එකී සම්මානය පිරිනැමීම සඳහා මම මේ මොහොතේ වේදිකාවට බොහොම ගෞරවයෙන් ආරාධනය කරනවා ටීවී දෙරණ ප්‍රධාන මෙහෙයුම් නිලධාරී හා විධායකාධ්‍යක්ෂ මාධව මඩවල මහතාට.